So this is how you make the best sweet potato inside of an air fryer. Okay, so a quick tip when selecting your sweet potatoes. A lot of people will throw different sizes of sweet potatoes in the same air fryer. Obviously the problem there is this little guy, for example, is going to cook a lot quicker than this guy. So what you want to do is, when choosing out your sweet potatoes, choose sweet potatoes that are similar sizes. Another tip that I found quite useful is make sure you line it with tin foil, shiny side pointing up. There's a lot of sugary juices that come out of this sweet potato, so you want to make your cleaning up afterwards as easy as possible. First thing we're going to want to do is preheat our air fryer. So they're going to cook at around 400 degrees. Okay, so my air fryer is preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I've chosen similar size sweet potatoes, as you can see here, and I've given them a quick wash. I should just plug that off. Okay, so now we'll poke holes in it. You have two options, fork or knife. I find knives a lot easier, especially as sweet potatoes are quite hard. Give it around 8 stabs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Okay, once that's done, now you can throw them in the air fryer if it's already been preheated. Okay, so I'm going to pop that open. Just put them straight in there. Just pop it right back in. Our sweet potatoes have been in the air fryer for about 40 minutes now, so let's quickly check on it. Okay, I'll be honest, that looks pretty done to me. So the way we want to test if it's done is just take a fork and then just jab it in. If it sinks all the way to the bottom without any resistance, then it's pretty much done, which is kind of what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so these are done. So the best way to do the sweet potatoes is just give it a good old slice right on the top and just start breaking it up, just so it comes out perfectly like that. I like to personally do mine with a bit of butter, so just take a bit of butter out there. Just look how that melts in there. And then pepper. And that's another recipe done, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe or you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, which should be around about down there. See you next time.